Yes, my people, welcome to J Progress Entertainment. Alright, now, I never have no time for no intro. Because while we are planning to go do Christmas shopping, you have a family where you go prepare a funeral for 4 family members right now. And that include a 11-year-old little child and a 12-year-old, including another 4 there. People, tragedy struck in a New York. Jamaican family stabbed to death in Queen's home. By who? By who no good think? By them own relative. I want to say this to you right now. Sometimes we have some family member, you know. And we see them out there suffering, you know. And we want to help them, we want to take them in our home and care for them and check for them. But guess what? You have to be careful because you cannot bring death on your doorstep without you knowing. Sometimes you see some people in them dilemma. You see some people are suffer. Some people are going through certain hardship because of the deeds where them do in a life. And the Almighty punish them. And you see, if you want to be the good Samaritan and take them up and boy, you want help, you and the devil will talk. You no listen to me right now. Jamaican family stabbed to death in Queen's home by relative. A Jamaican family of 4, including 2 children, ages 11 and 12, were stabbed to death in their Far Rockaway Queen's home early Sunday morning by a relative who was shot and killed by responding police officers. Courtney Garden, the 38-year-old nephew of 61-year-old Christine Watson, who was injured in the incident, was shot dead by the police after they responded to a 911 call. Jano. He was shot after slashing one police and stabbing another. And then police, they respond to the call, you know. And he attacked the police them too. Right? Police reports are that one of the responding officers managed to pull his firearm and shot Garden, who had been leaving the house with a bag when he attacked the officer as they stopped him for questioning. Reports further indicate that the other police officer who responded to the scene were unable to enter the home as fire had been set to the couch in the living room. So watch how the boy are wicked and take him in, you know. Him kill the people them and light the house. That means him burn up in the fire. And people think say, I burn the house, burn down accidentally and kill off the people them. The fire department responded and put out the blaze. And entering the home, police found the 11-year-old girl and 12-year-old boy stabbed to death. Tragedy, man. Tragic. Also stabbed and killed was a 44-year-old woman and a man in his 30s. None of them had up to press time been officially identified. Watson was taken to hospital. Garden had previously faced domestic violence charge in the Bronx before. The New York Daily News reported that his sister told the newspaper that he was taken in to the Far Rockaway home by his aunt after he had become homeless. So I help him, auntie, I help him. You see the same thing I tell him about? I help him, auntie, I help him. And end up taking the boy with homeless in a place and look what he go do. He kill the auntie, kill the man, and kill the 2 little pitney them. And try to set the house ablaze. Reports reaching the Gleaner are that the police had been called to the home on a number of occasions due to disturbances there. People, you may take that story a light. And sometimes you see a blame family member because you see them not help some relative with them have. But sometimes it may sound away, but it better you make some of them stay there and suffer. Because it better them stay there and suffer because of the bad deeds what them do in a life. Other than you come take them in your good home with your good family where you try so hard with. One of your pitney reach 11-year-old and one reach 12-year-old. You know how much years upon earth that you nurture them? And here comes this big old dirty careless boy here. Right? We mash up him life and knowing would have come there with envy and grudge. And decide say, oh, you take me in already, you know, you now put me back on the street, you know. Before you put me back on the street, me get rid of a whole of you know. Lick up pitney. Auntie, man, everybody ma get rid of. So what, it better the auntie when left him out there homeless. You see? Sometime, you say you help people and a tear you not tear down yourself. Look on this one, man. Imagine that. You're taking your own family member and him come kill off your entire family where you did a fight with all of them. Your entire family. Him not spare nobody. 4, including your little kids them. Imagine that, no, Jaja. Imagine that, no, man. And we there while we there plan for Christmas. A family there right now plan to go bury 4 of them family member. When everybody look forward to Christmas. Imagine them little kids there. Imagine them little kids there. Them gonna write them Christmas list already. Them gonna get so excited right now for Christmas. Remember, you know, at 11 and 12 years old, you believe say Santa Claus they fit show, you know. You really believe that there is a Santa Claus, you know. So at 11 and 12 years old, you prepare and make your wish. And I wish and I make the wish them where you wish for when Christmas come and can't wait to see Christmas as a little pitney. But tragedy struck. Them little kids they will never see another Christmas again. The auntie they were taking the boy, they will never see another Christmas again. And the partner they were dealing with the auntie will never see another Christmas. All because you try to help your nephew. All because your nephew there in a foreign homeless and you try to help him and get him back on his feet. And look what he can do. And there is nothing at all you can justify what the auntie or the family could have done to him. We could have made him get rid of all 4 of them, including a 11-year-old and a 12-year-old child. There is no justification for that. And the worst thing, it look like him always are getting a problem. Always. Remember, you know, sometime, when you see some people are wallowing in them downfall, and you as the helper, you would almost come like them blame you for where they are in life. And anything where you could add to that, will make them feel like them life will get worse. Them blame you for everything. And them take out all of them anger and them resentment on you. People don't have to know what you have to do. You don't have to be careful. You can't bring danger in our house. Easy, easy, easy. Imagine that, no, man. Kill off your whole family. Like the coach. So what you like the coach we do now? If you burn down the house, that means that probably the body them are going to perish where. And them good think say some farmer fire or something break out and if none of the family member them couldn't get out. Not knowing that this a boy with the auntie take in. Get rid of all 4 of them and set the house ablaze. People, that life is not normal, you know. All when you try to help become like a body you do, you will lose your life same way. Then what you do in a world like this? Better you hold your own. And not everybody you can help. Me say it already and me go say it again. Let some people make them suffer. When you see them out there suffer enough of them, I gotta beat them. Make them stay out there and suffer. Because if this auntie when left him out there to face him demise, probably, just probably, she and her family would have still there here today. But guess what? She have a good heart. And say, me can't make me never stay out there homeless. And winter come. Me have to take him in. But guess what? The winter the way you save him from end up cost the life of yourself and your entire family. So tragic. Believe.